To another primetime news follow-up now. Vlogger Jaii Frais Richards and music producer Javel Jahvy Ambassador Morrison were offered bail when they appeared in the gun court today. But the attorney representing Richards is again questioning why his client was charged in the first place, but believes justice will be served in the matter.
My client is anxious to get back to his life. A day in incarceration is like 1,000 years.
Attorney Isaac Buchanan speaking with journalists outside the Supreme Court Friday, moments after his client Jhadee Richards, more popularly known as Jaii Frais, was granted bail in the sum of $1.5 million. Javel Jahvy Morrison, who is also charged in the matter, was granted bail in the same amount. As part of their bail conditions, the men are to surrender their travel documents, report to the police 3 times weekly, and
there was a curfew order as well as an order not to discuss this case on social media for both men and their entourage or persons closely related to the case. And we returned to court again on the 8th of July.
The matter stems from a shooting incident which unfolded at an after-carnival event on April 12 at the Randy Williams Entertainment Center in St. Andrew, where 3 people were shot, including Richards. Reports are that a physical altercation developed between Richards and Morrison, which escalated at the event, leading to an exchange of gunfire. Richards was charged with possession of a prohibited weapon, unauthorized possession of ammunition, shooting with intent, wounding with intent, and using a prohibited weapon to commit a felony. While Morrison, wounding with intent, using a prohibited weapon to commit a felony, and assault occasioning bodily harm.
I'm just happy that the judge would have considered all of the issues and bail was offered consistent with the Bail Act.
With his client set to return to court on July 8, Mr. Buchanan, who remains appalled that he was charged, again questioned the message being sent.
While it is that we understand that Jamaica is a high crime society, there are messages being sent, whether it be the wrong one or the right one, in terms of how it is that a person is to protect themselves in an environment where life is something given to us without knowing we are to receive it. You don't get a do-over in matters such as this.